Please subscribe. Lisa Love Doll. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Mommy, I have revised my homework. And Lily, what have you written? I have written the alphabet A. Good job. Pinky, your homework? Oh, that's a good A. I have done my homework. Mine is best. Mine is best. I have done my homework. No, my homework is best. Mine's best, not yours. Yes, you all have done best. Can we play now? Play, sweetheart. But first clean up your mess. Wait, Mimi has not done her homework. Not do homework, silly Lily. See, I don't know. Start cleaning already. We have cleaned our mess. Okay, la la, playing time, playing time. Let me get the slime. Look what I have. Wow! Wow! How big slime! One more. Here it is. See what I am doing? I'm up in the slime now. Wow, so cool. I like it. Let me jump to the other slime. So fun. Whee! It looks so fun. I also want to get up. Climbing, climbing, climbing. Whee! Let's walk. Whee! 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 So much fun. Let's get down. Yeah. Stop, stop, stop. Let's stop. Wait, where's my slime? You can go and get your slime. Okay. Oh, this is your slime. Woof! Woof, woof. Fluffy, what are you doing? Fluffy. Fluffy, stop it. Oh, look what have you done, Fluffy. I have to tell Mommy. Mommy, Fluffy has made a big mess. Yeah, it made a big mess. Okay, I'm coming. Fix it. Mommy, can we now open it? Sure, girls. Open the slime. Yay! Opening time. Let me get the glitter. Okay. Oh, look at the slime. Get it out. Get it out. Now I can play with it. Blue. Look, I'm jumping on the slime. Ooh, squishy. Is it squishy? Eating the slime. Me too. But my favorite color. Glitters. I'm going to put glitter in my slime. My slime is going to say glitter. 3 blue slime. Let me mix it. I'll put the pink glitter in my slime. Pour the pour song. Pour it in every single place. Glittery, I think it's time to mix it. Mixing, 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 mixing. My slime is more glue and it's stretchy. It's more pretty. Wow. No, your slime. Time for me to pour. So I'm putting more glitter. To swim. La la la. I'm going to swim. A caterpillar is coming in your house. La la. Put in me. Look. Your son is stuck to me. Oh. What are you doing? Mommy, the slime is stuck. Mommy. Hey. What are you doing? Jellyfish. Get it off. Jellyfish on my mouth. Scaredy cat. Get out. Jellyfish. Jellyfish on my mouth. Jellyfish. Scaredy cat. What kind of something on you? Jellyfish. You want to jellyfish? It's just slime. To pour the glitter. Allow sprinkling. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. I'm going to walk it up. Simple ones, galaxy ones, so many. Hey, this is stuck to me. What should I do? It's like lemon green slime. Look, lemon green putty. It's stuck to me. Mommy, I'm stuck. Mommy, I'm not boxy. Mixy, mixy, mixy. Auntie, what is this? La 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 la. My green putty, my green putty. this is green puddle. Look. Hey, it's the green puddle. Slimy, 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 slimy.
Oh, it's a really big puddle.
It's jumping on muddy puddle, jumping on muddy puddle.
I'm a kangaroo or maybe a rabbit. Oink.
You're a kangaroo.
Guys, this lamp is stuck to me. Oink.
What a cow, old loser.
In the room all messy. Look at yourself. There, you're